So Mike wants me to help him out with the tedious stuff. So I'm gonna help him repin this lock. So we're gonna learn something together here on Mike's buck. So the key's in here already. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and figure out how to pin it. So step one on this, what they tell you to do is make sure you don't lose your original cylinder. There's numbers on these and they're coded. They go into each slot based on your key. Now, the issue here is Mike changed the cylinder, right, Mike? The ignition switch. So it wouldn't matter. It's not like we could get it from the dealer. So I'm gonna have to do a little trial and error. So some deductive reasoning here tells me that the ones that are sitting lower require the larger groove, like number 4, and the ones that are a little wider require that one right there, like the number 1. So I got this right, but I got right now, these are all going in based on the key shape. I feel good about all of them except one. So I'm gonna go ahead and play with that one, swap it out for a different one to see if it works, because they have to be flush. They have to go all the way down, otherwise it won't open. See that? So these are labeled 1 through 4, and what you basically need them to look like is like that. Once they're pushed in, they're flush on both sides. So what you do is, right now I'm coding Mike's key. I can't give out his code, but what I'm doing is, if it's too far down or too far up on the other side, it won't work. So you have to just keep swapping them out until you get them right. So you see, like here, some of those don't look 100% like this one right here. So I gotta fix that one right there. So that's the problem is a 4. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try a 3. I have a 3 somewhere around here, but they're all numbered. So you just have to keep going until you find the right one. Once you put it in the cylinder, I only got one hand here, so let me see if I can do it here. Now she turns with no problem. See? And she opens and she locks. And then what you have to do now after that is to put the C-clip in here. So I got the C-clip in. Let's go ahead and assemble the glove box. Doing none of the big work right now that they are, but nonetheless. So basically this latch goes in this way. Here, this sits here. These bolts go through here, and they screw onto here. So this goes on the other side. So let's go ahead and latch this all up. The screws there. And when the keys turn, here we go, unlatches. So now we just have to fasten this here. And once I fasten that, it'll be ready to go.